Welcome to Partner Lessons. This video is about teaching art on a high school level for new teachers for the first time that you've ever taught, which can be a horrifying thing. There are a few basic things that you need to get established right away. Number one is figure out what your budget is. Many high schools have a budget around $1,500 a year. That's for the whole year. So you need to figure out, okay, how am I going to get through the year with that? Those schools that have a kiln and you have a ceramics department or ceramics a capability within the art department, you can blow your whole budget very quickly just on clay and glazes and the like. To that end, what I use is I use air drying clay. It's cheaper, and I just dodge the glazes. At the same time, I do glazes and I do the ceramics. However, that's only when I've been able to build up a budget. And there are other ways of getting money for your department. We can talk about that later. First half a year, I would spend most of your money on 3 or 4 main things. Number one would be watercolor kits, simple watercolor kits that cost about $2.50 or $3 a piece. And then I would get markers, with a whole array of colors. And then I would also get colored pencils, and then regular number 2 pencils. And then lastly, I would get some scissors, at least a pair of 20 scissors. That's a good way to start out. And then in terms of paper, you're going to need paper, so I would go with heavy 80-pound cardstock paper as well as 20-pound paper, which your school should supply in terms of paper. So you got to have paper, you got to have markers, got to have the watercolors, got to have colored pencils. Now with Partner Lessons, you can actually do 90% of all your lessons with color pencils, so you're in good shape there. I also buy baby oil and small Dixie cups and Q-tips, because that actually can turn you can turn any color pencil drawing into an oil painting. So that's how I would start off, and then your first day, we'll talk about that in the next video.